A keyboard shortcut refers to an alternate way to send commands using only the keyboard instead of clicking a mouse. Commands are sent by pressing a key, or combination of keys, on the keyboard, in a specific sequence. Be advised that the layout of your keyboard may vary, as keyboards differ greatly. Follow these steps to review the 16 most useful keyboard shortcuts for Google Chrome and Mozilla Firefox. Bookmark the current web page. Press the Ctrl key plus the D key simultaneously on your keyboard to bookmark the current web page. Close the current tab. Press the Ctrl key plus the W key simultaneously on your keyboard to close the current tab. Close your web browser. Press the Ctrl key plus the F4 key simultaneously on your keyboard to quickly close your web browser. All tabs will automatically be closed. You may still need to confirm the closure. Enter or exit full screen mode. Press the F11 key on your keyboard to toggle between entering or exiting full screen mode for the current web page. Find specific text on the current web page. Press the Ctrl key plus the F key simultaneously on your keyboard to search for specific text on the current web page. You can search for a specific word or phrase. All instances of the search criteria will be highlighted on the web page. Open a private web browser window whenever you would like to view websites in private mode. Private mode keeps cookies and history from being saved on your computer. In Firefox, press the Ctrl key plus the Shift key plus the P key simultaneously on your keyboard. In Chrome, press the Ctrl key plus the Shift key plus the N key simultaneously on your keyboard. Open a new tab. Press the Ctrl key plus the T key simultaneously on your keyboard to open a new tab in the current web browser window. Open a web browser window. Press the Ctrl key plus the N key simultaneously on your keyboard to open a web browser window. Open the browser history. Press the Ctrl key plus the H key simultaneously on your keyboard to open the browser history. Open the download history. Press the Ctrl key plus the J key simultaneously on your keyboard to open the download history. Print the current web page. Press the Ctrl key plus the P key simultaneously on your keyboard to print the current web page. Reload the current web page. You can reload a web page in two ways. Press the F5 key on your keyboard to quickly reload the current web page from cache. Press the Ctrl key plus the F5 key simultaneously on your keyboard to reload the current web page by downloading it again, skipping the locally cached version. Scroll one screen up or down on the current web page. To quickly navigate moving up or down the screen, press the Page Up key on your keyboard to scroll one screen up on the current web page. Press the Page Down key on your keyboard to scroll one screen down on the current web page. Scroll to the top or bottom of the current web page. To quickly jump to the very beginning or end of a web page, press the Home key on your keyboard to scroll to the top of the current web page. Press the End key on your keyboard to scroll to the bottom of the current web page. Search the address bar history. Press the Ctrl key plus the L key simultaneously on your keyboard to search your address bar history. Switch tabs. Press the Ctrl key plus the Tab key simultaneously on your keyboard to quickly switch between open tabs in your web browser. Congratulations! You successfully reviewed the 16 most useful keyboard shortcuts for Google Chrome and Mozilla Firefox. If you are having problems, please contact the help desk by phone, email, or by using our support chat service.